Hello everyone. In this video, I have given a hotel management system as a use case featuring five key tables: rooms, guests, reservation, bookings, and payment. These tables are the backbone of a system designed to efficiently manage hotel operations. Let's take a closer look at each one. First, the rooms table. This table will stores information about the hotel rooms available for booking. It includes fields such as room ID, room number, room type, price, capacity, and availability. In this video, we will be writing SQL query to interact with these tables, such as finding total revenue generated by the hotel, displaying the reservation made by the special guest, etc. So SQL will allow us to efficiently manage and analyze data in the hotel management system, providing valuable insight and helping to streamline operations. Second is the guest table. Here we keep track of information about the guests staying at the hotel. Fields include such as guest ID, which is uniquely identified for each guest, which is also called as a primary key in this table, and also includes first name, last name, email, and phone. This table will allows the hotel to manage guest information efficiently and provide personalized services. The third is the reservation table. This table will link the guests to the rooms they have reserved, and it contains reservation ID, which is called as a primary key in this table, room ID, which is also known as foreign key referring the room reserved, and guest ID is also foreign key referring the guest who made the reservation, and it includes a check-in date, check-out date, and total amount of cost for the reservation. And these are the last two tables: booking table and payment table. Booking table is similar to the reservation table, and this table also tracks the reserva- reservation room, but it is used to handle the booking process, and it includes the booking ID, a check-in date, room ID, which is a foreign key referring to the booked rooms, total amount, and confirmation of the booking. Last is the payment table, which is will record the information about the guest payment for their booking, and it includes the payment ID, uh, booking ID, which is a foreign key referring to the booking for which the payment was made, amount, payment date, payment method, like credit card or a cash. Now, let us write a SQL query to find the total revenue generated by the hotel. In this query, we are summing up the total amount values from the booking table, and the sum function will add up all the total amount values across the rows in the booking tables. By using the alias total revenue, we get the resulting sum, a clear label for easy reference. Next query is to find the total number of guests. We use a count function to calculate the total number of rows in the guest table, which corresponds to the total number of guests recorded in the system. And the result of this calculation is given the array's total guests for easy reference. So executing this query will return a single row with a single column displaying the total number of guests recording in the guest table. Next query is to find the availability of rooms. Here, where clause will filters the rows based on the condition. Availability is equal to 1. This condition will check if the available columns has a value of 1, indicating that the room is available. Next query is to display all the reservation made by a specific guest. In this, we use the subquery. The inner query indicates a select guest ID from guests per email equal to specified ID will retrieve the guest ID of the guest with a specified email address from the guest table. And next, the outer query select star from reservation will retrieve all the columns from the reservation table, but it filters the results using the where clause. Next query is to list all the guests who have not made any reservation. I have used left on operation, which combines every row from the guest table with the corresponding rows from the reservation table based on the guest ID. If a guest has made a reservation, the guest ID will have a matching records in the reservation table. In this case, the where guest ID is null condition excludes those rows because guest ID will not be null. Guests who have not made any reservation will have a null values for the guest ID in the reservation table after the left join. So the where clause will filters out all the rows where guest ID is not null, leaving only the guests without the reservation.